Christopher Pissarides, a super smart economist and a Nobel Prize winner, has recently shared his thoughts about how the incredible growth of artificial intelligence, AI, might shake up the job market. Right now, many of you dream of getting those cool STEM jobs. You know, jobs that involve collecting data, organizing it, and using it to make AI even better or more useful for various tasks. But here's the twist. Pissarides says that the skills you need today for these jobs might become old-fashioned because AI could do the work itself. Imagine that technology getting so smart that it can handle jobs we used to do. Now you might be thinking, but wait, don't we need STEM jobs? Well, here's the deal. AI is getting better at doing the boring stuff quickly. It can process data faster and tackle complex problems better than us humans. But we need to be careful not to rely too much on AI because it could take away jobs and the need for people to learn valuable skills that make our society advanced. Some experts agree with Pissarides. They warn that we shouldn't let AI take over everything. It's a tool to help us, not our boss. We don't want to become servants to AI's every whim. Instead, we should use AI to achieve what we want as a society. But don't worry, not all hope is lost. Pissarides still thinks AI will bring more good than bad to the job market. Some jobs will always need humans because AI can't do everything. Jobs that require creativity, judgment, and a personal touch will stay safe from AI's takeover. So what's the big takeaway here? Well, STEM is still super important, and you should totally focus on it in high school. It's like building blocks for the future. While some IT jobs might change, STEM will always be the foundation of our world. From farming to high-tech computing. And here's the exciting part. Pissarides believes that jobs focusing on communication and customer service will be in high demand. So don't underestimate those jobs. They could be even better than what people used to do. So don't be afraid of AI. Embrace it. Learn the tech tools and skills it offers while still exploring the amazing world of STEM. The future is bright, and you're the ones who will shape it. How cool is that?